What's that noise? What time is it? Oh, 3 a.m. Really? This had better be important. Oh, it's you? Why are you awake so early, kid? Oh, you're having nightmares again? Well, you can come in if you like. We can even snuggle like we did when I first adopted you. I'll take that as you want to. So, was it the same nightmare? The one about before I adopted you? Yes. Oh, I'm sorry, kitty. I know you hate remembering your time on the streets. Come here. I'll give you pets and scratches to make you feel better. For now, at least. And tomorrow, we can go and get you a stuffy. That's it. And just relax while I pet this soft hair of yours. You're safe now. I promise. Someone's happy. Just look at that tail wag. I thought only dogs did that. Okay. I know you're enjoying this, but you're supposed to be relaxing and going to sleep, kitten. So, shh and relax. Oh, I have to stop. That's it. Oh, you have such a cute yawn. Shh, shh, shh. Go to sleep. I'll be here when you wake up. Yes, I promise. Now, shh, it's time to sleep. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.